Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to learning at home. I hope you are fine and staying safe. तो आज हम करेंगे यूनिट नंबर 3 जिसका नाम है ह्यूमन हेल्थ। तो लेसन को स्टार्ट करने से पहले इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के लिए आपको बेल आइकॉन पे प्रेस करना होगा ताकि आपको हर न्यू आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसको ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं लेसन नंबर 3 ह्यूमन हेल्थ। At page number 45, we have choose the correct option. Number 1, pancreas produces. The right option is A, insulin only. Number 2, in a healthy person, the cells get energy mainly from the answer is glucose. Number 3, Mrs. Akhtar is a high blood pressure patient. Once she was extremely stressed and she had a brain stroke because the answer is B, her blood pressure was very high. Number 4, a person with zero blood pressure is, the answer is D, dead. Number 5, Mr. Ahmed's heart attack damaged 5% of his cardiac muscles. It means that the blockage was in a, the answer is B, main branch of coronary artery. Number 6, Sana's mother was complaining of chest pain, shortness of breath, and heavy sweating. It was late night, so her family decided to wait till morning, but they should have given her painkillers for chest pain. The answer is D, taken her to hospital immediately as she was having a heart attack. Number 7, if you leave a spoon in concentrated sugar solution, the crystals of sugar will form on the spoon after few days. This situation is similar to the answer is A, high blood sugar level of diabetes patients. Number 8, dialysis machine is also called artificial kidney machine. It is used in the treatment of, the answer is B, kidney failure. Number 9, smokers defend their smoking habit by arguing that many non-smokers also suffer from lung cancer. These non-smokers are mostly, the answer is A, passive smokers. Number 10, breathing in polluted air can damage lungs. Initially, cough and asthma develop, but later it can even cause, the answer is C, lung cancer. At page number 46, we have true and false, and we have to correct the statement if it is false. The first two statements are true. Number 3, diabetes is called silent killer. इसमें डायबिटीज़ रॉन्ग है और इसकी जगह हम लिखेंगे हाई ब्लड प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड साइलेंट किलर. डायबिटीज़ की जगह लिखेंगे हाई ब्लड प्रेशर. नंबर 4, देयर इज़ नो ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ किडनी फेलियर. इसमें देयर इज़ नो की जगह लिखेंगे डायलिसिस, क्योंकि किडनी फेलियर का जो इलाज है वो मुमकिन है और वो डायलिसिस के ज़रिए से होता है. तो हम लिखेंगे डायलिसिस एंड किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट, ये दो जो हैं इसके इलाज हैं. Dialysis and kidney transplant are the treatment of kidney failure. Number 5, hepatitis can cause lung cancer. Hepatitis की जगह लिखेंगे smoking. Smoking can cause lung cancer. Now we will note down the answers of short questions. Question number 1, how can diabetes patients control their blood sugar level? इसका आंसर पेज नंबर 38 पे है. हाई ब्लड प्रेशर से ऊपर वाली जो लास्ट टू लाइन्स है पैराग्राफ की, दीज पेशेंट्स कैन कंट्रोल देयर ब्लड शुगर लेवल बाय हैविंग मेडिसिन्स. दे नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ देयर डाइट, डू प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज एंड मेंटेन अ रीजनेबल बॉडी वेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट आर द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ स्मोकिंग? आंसर, हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ स्मोकिंग. Number 1, smoking can cause lungs cancer. Number 2, smoking also increases risk of many other cancers. Number 3, smoking can weaken the immune system. Number 3, What are the symptoms of heart attack? The answer is at page number 40. Science tidbits में इसका आंसर है. The symptoms of heart attack could be pressure, tightness, pain, or a squeezing sensation in your chest or arms that may spread to your neck, jaw, or back. Dizziness, nausea, indigestion, heartburn or abdominal pain, shortness of breath, cold sweat, fatigue. 1/4 of all heart attacks are without any symptoms, therefore, they are called silent heart attacks. Number 4. How are kidney stones treated? The answer is at page number 41. Second line से start करेंगे. These stones can be broken by special types of shock waves. Small pieces of these stones are passed out of the body through urine. Number 5. What is the difference between acute and chronic hepatitis? Answer is at page number 42. Third line से start करेंगे. Acute hepatitis can sometimes resolve on its own or progress to chronic hepatitis. And chronic hepatitis can develop scarring of liver, liver failure, or liver cancer. Now we will note down the answers of long questions. Question number 1. Why is mental and social well-being important for health? Explain your ideas and feelings. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर आपको मिलेगा पेज नंबर 37 पे. डू यू नो से ऊपर वाली जो लाइन है, हेल्थ इज़ अ स्टेट ऑफ कंप्लीट फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड सोशल वेलबींग एंड नॉट मेरली द एब्सेंस ऑफ डिजीज और इन्फर्मिटी. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. पहले ये 2 लाइन्स लिखेंगे और उसके बाद डू यू नो से नीचे जो पैराग्राफ है फुल 6 पॉइंट के लास्ट तक, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. You learned about 6 diseases in this chapter. Which diseases can be prevented by healthy and sensible eating? Explain. Answer. Number 1. Diabetes. We should avoid eating the foods which are rich in sugar and fats. Number 2. Lung cancer. Avoid eating food that has been preserved using chemicals. Use lots of fruits and vegetables. Number 3. High blood pressure. We should eat diet rich in fibers such as whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and dairy products. Number 4. Hepatitis. The drinking of contaminated water produces hepatitis virus. Therefore, drink clean water. Eat whole grains, cereals, fruits, and vegetables. Number 5. Heart diseases. Eat whole grain, fish, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid red meat, oil, and fats. Number 6. Kidney disease. Eat fiber-rich food, whole grain, low-fat products. Minimize the use of salt and sugar in your diet. Number 3. What are the benefits of exercise? Answer. Benefits of exercise. Number 1. Exercise helps to control weight. Number 2. It reduces the risk of heart attack. Number 3. It helps to quit smoking. Number 4. It improves the mental health. Number 5. It improves the circulation of blood throughout the body. Number 4. In the previous century, infectious diseases were mainly affecting human population. In the 21st century, it is mainly the non-infectious diseases. Describe the reasons and ways of prevention. Answer. In previous century, cholera, malaria, typhoid, and yellow fever were the common infectious diseases. The following years has declined these diseases in 21st century. Number 1. Research in medical field, infectious diseases has been controlled. Number 2. Use of antibiotic medicines. Number 3. Improvement in sanitation and hygiene. Number 4. Vaccination programs. Number 5. Use of balanced diet and regular exercise. Now we will note down the answers of constructed response questions. Number 1. 17th May is designated as World High Blood Pressure Day. The day was started to increase the awareness of this silent killer disease. The National Health Survey of Pakistan estimates that more than half of the adult population of Pakistan suffers from high blood pressure. Most of them are unaware of their disease. अब इसमें से 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, why this is an alarming report? Answer: this is alarming report because more than half of the adult population of Pakistan suffers from high blood pressure. Most of them are unaware of their disease. Number 2, what the adults of Pakistan should do in this situation? Answer: they should visit the doctor to get their blood pressure checked on regular basis. They should avoid the foods that can cause blood pressure. They should take medicine regularly if advised by doctor. Number 3, what the young generation can do to reduce this percentage in future? Answer: the young generation can adopt the following measures. Number 1, avoid smoking. Number 2, do exercise regularly. Number 3, they should avoid the foods that can cause blood pressure. Question number 2. In 2019, 900 persons in an area of Pakistan have been diagnosed as AIDS patients, mostly children. A local doctor who treated several patients with a single needle and syringe was blamed for spreading the virus which causes AIDS. Question number 1. Can you relate this situation with the spread of other diseases? Answer: the diseases such as hepatitis B and hepatitis C can spread through unsafe use of syringe. Question number 2. Can you suggest ways to reduce the spread of such diseases in Pakistan? Answer: always use fresh sterilized disposable syringe for injection. Number 3. What is the responsibility of doctors, nurses, dentists, barbers, etc. in this situation? Answer: responsibility of doctors, nurses and dentists. They should ensure that a fresh sterilized disposable syringe is used for each patient. The syringe should be properly disposed of after the usage. Responsibility of barbers. They should ensure that a fresh blade is used for each customer. All hair cutting tools should be disinfected before use. Question number 3. The kidneys remove extra water, extra salts and a type of waste called urea from the blood. Urea is produced when food containing proteins are broken down in the body. Hassan is suffering from kidney failure. His doctor advised him certain food restrictions. Infer why he is advised to: number 1, drink less water. Answer: because the efficiency of his kidney is reduced and they are unable to handle large amount of water. Number 2, avoid salts. Answer: salt in the diet makes it hard for the kidneys to get rid of water. Number 3, avoid meat, eggs and pulses. Answer: meat, eggs and pulses produce urea. As Hassan is suffering from kidney failure, therefore his kidneys are unable to remove urea from blood. Students, I hope you have noted down the exercise of unit number 3, human health. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask in comment section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel as much as you can. Take care. Allah Hafiz.